Hi everyone, I'm Chef Vivien, French chef. Christmas is coming soon, so today a nice recipe, typical French starter for special occasion. Today avocado and shrimps cocktail. I love this recipe. The main thing of this recipe is the sauce cocktail. I love this sauce. We learned to do this sauce in a catering school at the very beginning, and it's so tasty. It's just a perfect sauce with many different flavor and all coming from usual ingredient. Don't worry about which ingredient you must use. This is a starter I make every time in the end of the year, or for Christmas, or for 24th of December night or 31 of December night. Cannot be one of these two nights that I don't make avocado and shrimps sauce cocktail. So you will learn to make this recipe, and inside you will learn also to make a mayonnaise and to make this sauce cocktail. So it's like a 3-in-1 video. Let's start with the mayonnaise. For mayonnaise you can use blender, the big ones like for a pastry, the big ones to like a kitchen helpers, the big blenders, the hand blenders, but I will show you by hand. Save energy and make sport. Here I have 2 egg yolks. For mayonnaise, a French traditional mayonnaise, we use 1 egg yolk, and in this 1 egg yolk mayonnaise you can go till 1 glass of sunflower oil. But if you put 2 egg yolks, it will be better. That is why I put 2 egg yolks. Rich, more rich. It's a special occasion, so we put nice products. We put nice mustard, Dijon mustard, French. And now time for sport. We whisk. We whisk you a Merry Christmas. It's a French humor. You add sunflower oil little by little and you whisk, and you don't stop to whisk, and you don't stop to add oil. You make an emulsion. The little secret touch of the chef, a little bit of a nice olive oil. A little bit, just to find a flavor that you don't know where it's coming from, but it's nice. Of course we put some salt, 1, 2, 3, and some pepper, ground pepper, and lemon juice or white vinegar. In this case I prefer lemon juice because after we will add also in the sauce lemon juice, so it's more logical. Well, you can do like this and press your lemon. Voilà, around a little spoon. Now your mayonnaise become whiter. Look how white it is now. It's time to taste the basic mayonnaise. It is perfect. We keep it apart in the fridge and we follow the recipe. I take my boiled shrimps. Here we have nice cooked shrimps. We just have to peel them. We keep the skin, the head, to make another recipe. As you know, zero waste. Chef Vivien is zero waste. It could be a bisque. You can add it in you can make a soup, you can make a sauce, you can make pasta with shrimps. You can add this in your fish soup to give a little bit more taste. You can use for stock, for paella. You can do many things with this. For special occasion, you need good avocado. I bought premium one. They told me how to cut it. I remove this part where it's on the tree, and you cut in the middle. Put it horizontally. Your hand also, and you turn. You turn, and you arrive where you start, and that's finished. And you have 2 halves avocado. Perfect. We remove avocado pit this way, and you turn. Immediately you add lemon juice. Why you add lemon juice? It's to protect from oxidation, to avoid that avocado will come black. Now it's time to think your dressing. And regarding how you want to dress it, you need to cut your avocado how you want to dress it. I want to dress it because it's a special occasion in a glass, a nice glass, cocktail glass. Because this recipe we also call it avocado cocktail. That is why I will do this. You can also decide to remove a part of the avocado and add the rest of the recipe inside and serve it in the same fruit. But once again, special occasion. So we remove the skin. When it's a nice avocado and it's ready, you can remove the skin really easily with hands like this. This is a very nice avocado, very tasty. Will be very sweet. If it's a little bit less mature, you can use a spoon to remove. And by the way, if it's not ready, you can buy a strong avocado and put together with banana or put together with apples, or use a newspaper and store it for 2 or 3 days and it will become ready. Of course, we also need in this part to put some lemon juice, a lot of seeds. And now we have not problem. Nice shape of avocado. The shrimps, the part where it was the head, I cut, and it will be inside the sauce. Cut some little piece like this, a little bit less than 1 centimeter. Voila, it's a nice size for choux. It's a good size for texture. And I keep the end of the tail for decoration, for dressing. And for this recipe, I will use half of avocado to put inside the sauce, in the salad. I will cut them in cubes, like this. More or less the same size of shrimps. The other part, I will cut very fine slice for a nice dressing. I will show you now. I take a mandolin, or you can use a knife also and do it delicately, and you cut slices of avocado. A bit of lemon juice once again. Of course, this will go in the salad. Here you can see the good volume and the good relation between avocado and shrimps. And now we transform our sauce, mayonnaise, in a real sauce cocktail. Sauce cocktail. Mayonnaise, ketchup, a good ketchup, tabasco. Now, this you can play. If you like spicy, you can add more tabasco. Worcestershire sauce, English sauce, or Worcestershire sauce. We mix to start to see the color. You need a nice pink sunset color, because kitchen is also poetry. So poetry is to have a cognac, a nice cognac. In the usual recipe it's cognac, but you can also use Armagnac, of course. I'm from Gascogne, the region of Armagnac. That is why I drink Armagnac and put cognac in the sauce. And a bit of lemon juice. Without seeds. And it's time to try this wonderful sauce, believe me. Very nice. Pay attention to details. The kitchen, the difference between good kitchen and very good kitchen, it's to pay attention to details. So you can come back to try your sauce 2-3 times. Now the main ingredients in the main sauce, but only the pieces of shrimps, the pieces of avocado, and you keep the tail for dressing. Now we gently make a wedding of avocado, shrimps, and sauce cocktail. And now as you see, there is a lot of sauce. And it's good that there is a lot of sauce. Because there is more, because here there is more avocado and here there is more tail of shrimps. Tail of shrimps. For the dressing I will use the shrimps and the avocado. To understand also the dishes must be understandable. You can understand when you see what is it. So when you will see the dish you will see avocado and shrimps. So you understand the dish. Here we go. Of course, when you see this, it's not nice, but believe me, it's really tasty. Now we will try to make it nice with a little flowers of avocado, like this. I really recommend you to make odd numbers for decoration. 3, 5, 7, 6 also works because it's 2 times 3, but it's twice 3, but 3, 5. In this case will be 3 shrimps, 5 avocado slice. I have a bit of herb salad. It will add some crispy and also a nice little bit bitter taste. Delicate bitter taste. And it's nice. And shrimps. Like this. I have some little tomato cherry. It's not seasoned, but it's a special occasion, so we can. A bit of parsley. Why tomato cherry a bit? Because first it's nicer, but it also have a function which is a bit of sourness. Hop. Just to finish, a bit of olive oil. And voila, you have a fantastic starter for a special occasion, maybe Christmas, maybe end of the year, maybe a birthday, whatever. But try this recipe, it's really, really tasty. We invite you to try this recipe. Enjoy this cocktail and subscribe to my channel.